So the battle round start off and then put Tessanne Chin against this girl named Ashley. So Ashley came in looking like a black Tinkerbell. She did a prance around the stage like she was giving out daisies and roses. Big up you, Ashley, with the stocking cap on your head. I guess that was your tribute to Jamaica. But not like Ashley with the head wrap there, you were her looking like a modern day nanny of the maroon. So Ashley did it a sing, and my yidem only catch Tessanne Chin well comfortable and I sing along with Ashley. And I just bet you that whisper underneath her breath did turn up. No. Alright people, let's go back to the supportive look there. That look like a front seat at a church look. Ashley performance done. You see, as Tess performance was about to start, I only spot what I thought was 2 pieces of weed at the side of the stage. I was about to say, my word, Tessanne got all the way at the United States of America, a campaign for Wayne Marshall. Tessanne start off with a sultry something there in our voice. Tessanne, if you ever sing to me like that, I swear I would take off. Oh god, it is sexy. Tess make a step, rock her hip them side to side with the light in the background a flash so. Oh Lord Jesus, thank you for Tess and her good body. So after me did it and a pre Tessanne stay good out of many now hide away a body. Adam that me say a prayer up. You know them intense stalker 3 years no me say a proper body girl. Intense stare there. That is what Adam were are doing. Michael Cuff, handle that. Oh. So Tessanne start step cross the stage like a sidewalk she dip on. Poor Ashley catch her afraid. Free the face ya. Ashley be like, "Boy, me go home. Suffer the little judge them to please vote for me." So the chorus come and Tessanne take it to them. Cross, hangry, miss her rebel. It was like she did take on the spirit of the most honorable Rosie. The little swagger there in her walk when she step across the stage. He did a study ending at Miss Universe. No, Tessanne, we need to find a name for your alter ego. You know, something like Trinita Goodas. Cause off stage, you be like Hannah Montana, but when you take on the stage, you become Shaka Khan. Ladies and gentlemen, give me a round of applause for Tess awesomeness. When you see Tess, you see bath and body works. I can just know so the girl smell good. You just know that Tessanne be smooth like them nice good up Remy weave. What I like with Tessanne is that she can pop a high note anywhere in her song. Tessanne be like A, B, C, D, E. She just unpredictable like that. At one point, Missy Tessanne I sent on some proper lick up in her chest. Tessanne, are you her name Bolt? Tess lick a piece of note there. But did I listen with my earphones? I see when she lick the note there, that box where every single wax that were are in my ears. At the first note that me ever see make somebody matrix and spirit finger in a one.
These are spirit fingers.
You tell me no. After that, Tessanne start get rough with it. Tessanne was just this close to rocking out in some bad dirty wine.
You dirty wine, my girl, dirty wine.
And then the way how she end the song just left you a beg for more. Jeez and peace. Tessanne had me like, Team Badmind Michael Cuff, we need to plan a meeting. So in the end, Adam chose Tessanne Chin. Tessanne pulled the whole surprise Mother Teresa touched by an angel card.
Oh my god, I can't believe it. This is a dream come true. I've been doing this all my life. Oh my god, I didn't expect to win.
That matchup was just kinda unfair. Me feel it for poor Ashley. I was like taking Ashley a piece of bulla against you a good piece of cheese patty and cocoa bread. Right about now, Tessanne Chin is Miss Jamaica. Nobody cannot tell me anything else. If Tessanne R sneeze, I will run out into the atmosphere, catch that sneeze and put it on eBay, and I am sure that people going to buy it. You see, in the performance when you see Tessanne do the little rough thing and the little soft thing, I know what her caused that. That was the bread and butter that she was eating. You ever eat a piece of dry bread yet and that thing catch in your throat, make your voice just sound like you want shabba ranks? Yes, the little refined point, the little sexy point in the song, that was the butter. That bread and butter eating Tessanne Chin are working for you.
Yo, that's it peeps. Thanks for watching another Dirty Berry show. Make sure that you share this video, you like it, you subscribe.
Enough love, Brand Jamaica, Team Tessanne, yeah!